Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about that how to use AI tools and how to get what you want from them. It's a magic. It's known as the it is known as the anatomy of prompt engineering. The message we do to the AI tool is known as prompt. As far as I have taught that how to use BART, it is also necessary that how to use effectively, how to get what you want from it. Okay, let's start. Anatomy of prompt engineering. The anatomy of a prompt can be broken down into following parts: task definition, context, constraints, format, and example. This task definition. This is the heart of the prompt, the core instruction that tells the computer program exactly what you want to do it. The task definition can be a question, a command, or a request. You can do request, you can do command, and you can ask a question as well. What is context? This provides AI tool with a reference which can significantly influence the nature and quality of AI responses. Okay? The context can include information such as the setting, the characters, and the plot of the story you want AI to write. Next is constraints. These are the limitations on the AI responses. For example, you might constrain the AI to only use certain words to generate the certain number of words. Okay, about format. This specifies the desired format of the AI response. For example, you might want the AI to generate a poem, a code, a script. This is what the format you give AI to generate in such a form you want. Next are examples. That's all about the anatomy of prompt engineering. If you have the skills to write a prompt, you can earn $3 from Fiverr, from Upwork. It is easy. Look at the example. Okay, example of prompts. Task definition, as we have discussed back. Write a poem. It's example of the prompt. If you are going to command AI that to write a poem for you, you can write like this. This is the task definition of your prompt. Write a poem about a lost love. Okay, the context of the same poem of your prompt, the poem should be set in the forest. You are giving the context to the AI that you should use the words trees, herds, and moon. Now look at the constraints. The poem should be no more than 100 words long. This is what the constraint you pass to the prompt with the prompt. The format you are asking, the poem should be written in pentameter. Example. You are giving example to the AI tool that you should do like this, you should do like this. Here are some example of the poem. Sonnet 43 by William Shakespeare. You want the AI tool to generate the poem like William Shakespeare, like J. Alfred Prord. Do not go gentle into that good night by Dylan Thomas. If you want AI tool to generate these type of prompts, you can have effective prompt that must have task definition, the context, the contrast, the format, and the example as well. Only the five things. First, the task definition, the context, the constraint, the format, and example. The help of effective prompt, have you can get anything you want from your desired AI tools. We will get back soon. Stay connected with us. If you find the content appreciable, share it with your friends. Thank you.